John Doe is a successful affiliate marketer with over 5 years of experience. He's developed a blueprint focused on high-ticket offers, AI tools, and data-driven strategies. His blueprint simplifies complex processes and emphasizes scalability, standing out with high commissions and minimal effort. The key steps in John Doe's affiliate blueprint include choosing a niche, partnering with high-ticket programs, using AI tools, building an audience, optimizing for conversions, and scaling with paid ads. John made $250,000 by combining organic and paid strategies, creating valuable content on YouTube and Instagram, and using email marketing to boost conversions. John used numerous tools, including AI tools like Jasper.ai, SEO tools like Ahrefs, and analytics tools like Google Analytics for effective performance tracking. His primary traffic sources included organic methods from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and paid ads via Google and Facebook. John faced challenges such as breaking into competitive niches and low conversions, which he overcame through niche focus and optimizations. Yes, beginners can follow this blueprint with step-by-step guidance. Success comes with effort and learning from failures. The starting cost is flexible. You can start with free tools or invest $500 or $1,000 for faster results with premium tools. The biggest takeaway is to focus on high-ticket programs, build audience trust, and use AI tools for efficiency. Consistency and scaling are key.